Hey everybody, happy Friday. Almost said Wednesday. Feels like this week never ended. How goes it, my boys? My broskies, my homies. How's it going? How you doing? Let's see where this is going. It's a good song. Hey, look what I did. We have a new item, and I also updated the office in Thyrus. We also have a new... Oh, shit. We also... I guess that's fine. It's just kind of fucking around. Is it because I have like a secret... extra wall right there? I don't know. I'm not sure. We have that one. No, I guess we don't. Cool. Yes. So we have the server right here. And it's one of the draggable items. Only problem is my draggable logic is not working. Now, I haven't touched this draggable logic in a very long time, unfortunately. Like, I can physically drag it with the mouse, but you're supposed to be able to click the shift button, and then it follows your character, like you're dragging it, and then you move it into a position. And it's supposed to be based off of a drag destination that I already defined right here. We got the drag dest. We have the top, left, blah, blah, blah. We have the mission that it's supposed to complete. And then it's a draggable item. And I saw it has the data point on it. So I really don't know what is missing at this point. It's in Thyrus. Well, the server's already there, we know that. But the drag destination's not. So we're gonna have to go into local. And see what the fuck is going on with that. First off, let's go into the items. Let's check out the drag destination logic right here. So I know the drag dests are down here. which that's materialize cutscene trigger. That's trigger cutscene. Oh, I'm in the cutscene HTML. I'm like, why is everything cutscene? Hey, groovy penguin. Penguin? Do I like Manigas? No, I don't know. I don't think so. Sounds familiar though. That's a good one. I haven't heard that one before, actually. I haven't read it. Maybe I've heard it. I haven't read it in a stream before, though. That's funny. Do I like them? I love them. You out of your mind? I don't know who they are, but I love them. Okay. Now, as far as... Here it is, draggable destination. So, explore drag dest. We got it. We have it. We have the top left height with image and mission. We have all of that. None of that is false. Or you're a liar. And so we should technically have this bullshit. So... But we don't. Meaning... Maybe explore drag desk. Maybe that meta box changed. Let me double check. Because I did do a lot of meta box work. So it's possible I fucked up the name. So... Let's see here. What's the top one? The top input is... Explore drag desktop. Yeah, okay. Well, it's there. That's correct. That's not showing. I think it's not showing. I uploaded the image too, yeah. This is good. Yeah, image. We got the mission. Yeah, none of this is empty. See, that's the thing, like, at least the HTML should be there. Which, the HTML would be... here. No. Where? Here. The HTML would be drag dest, which I'm not seeing. Yeah. Just doesn't exist. Let's just clear the cache on the super off chance. Liam... Gone global. You're more gay than me? Are you out of your mind? I've never been gayer in my life than right now, at this moment. Clip that. Oh, no one's on Twitch. But you know what, Liam? It's alright. It's Friday. I'll give it to you. You can be the gayer one. That's okay. And I support you. Gay. Liam is gay. So gay. Oh, I lost it. Ah, I just maxed out. How did I lose my mic? Alright. That was pretty gay.
This is gonna take forever to get in order. Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
Yeah, I agree. I'm with you, Graham. Alright, let's see if drag dest. No. Alright, so it's just not... It's not here. It's lying. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into local and see what the fuck is wrong with this. Oh, I also need to update this plugin. That was an awesome response. You're welcome. So let's go ahead and add one here. I don't even care. I'm just going to add whatever. I just want to see that it's going to show up. Actually, let's make it something... Yeah, whatever, that's fine. Okay. So now let's update that and see if it'll show up locally. And then we'll see why it's not showing up locally. Drag dest. Not showing. Okay, so now we can at least figure out what the fuck is going on. Okay, draggable. Yes, it is draggable. So let's var dump this bitch and get the drag dest. Okay, debug. Now I know what to look for. False. Okay. Well, that's not what I was expecting. But let's check what the database has to say about that. Maybe it's just saving in the wrong format now. Excusez-moi. I need you, database. You piece of shit. Just gonna fucking time out on me. What's wrong with you? Okay. Post meta. Why are there so many goddamn tables? What is this? This is all WordFence? No, maybe. And WooCommerce. So many custom tables. Like, fuck off, guys. Just use the existing tables. You don't need custom tables. Right. Yep. I don't get plugin and theme developers that decide, you know what? Fuck what WordPress has to offer. Let's just add as many custom shits that has nothing to do with the core of WordPress. Because we know better. And then WordPress upgrades and you have to upgrade all your shit. Like, stupid. Okay, drag dest. Hey, look. Right there. Not empty. Why am I getting false? Let's find out why. Oh. Oh, this is falling under that trap. I fixed meta boxes. That's why this isn't working. Because I did something right. See, before, every array was saved under like a double meta key. Boom. Now I don't even need that. Okay, okay, okay. You know what? I'm so confident this is going to work. Yeah, whatever. I'll check. I was going to say I was just going to push it. Let's see. Drag. Dest. There we go. Right there. What did it? Okay, will this actually let me drag it now? No, it still doesn't let me drag it. Okay, well, I'm glad I checked. That's good. Yeah, I thought the last thing was the fact that it... Oh, it doesn't have a mission, though. Okay, okay. Yeah, let's push this up. This is gonna work in production. What? Okay. No, not the database. Thank you very much. Always gotta remember to turn that shit off. Okay, here we go. Let's push up the plugin code. Wait. Yeah, that was the HTML. Go! Go forth! Yes. Okay. Back to production we go. Dot 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 ba ba ba. Alright. Now we'll go here.
This is gonna take forever to get in order.
Yeah.
Well, never a better time than now,
Okay.
I suppose.
Still not seeing it. Okay. Let's clear the cache. The code obviously hasn't gotten there yet.
This is gonna take forever to get in order.
Still not
Well,
seeing
never
it.
a better time than now, I suppose.
Okay, what the fuck? Hold on. It was working. Move your servers. No. Draggable. No, I mean it's good. It's good. Just gotta wait for the code to push. It's fine. Just annoying everybody now. Come on, buddy. Oh, that looks like a cache clear. Code's pushed.
This is gonna take forever.
Oh yeah, it worked.
Well, never a better
Check
time
it
than
out.
now, I suppose.
You see now there's that glowing spot? You see it? It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. Now, will it let me drag it? Oh, it works! Look, I can carry the item wherever I want now. Do. Where am I going to put my servers? Wow, he's so strong. He can carry 3 giant tower servers. That's pretty impressive, if you ask me. So, now what I need to do is move them in this spot. And when I drop it, it should finish that mission. Fuck yeah. I don't know if I added the logic though that after you finish it, if it's supposed to go away. I should probably add an option for that. Because I know there's some drag destinations I don't want to disappear when you drop the item. But there are drag destinations that I do want to go away, like these glowing fucking spaces. Cool. Hey, my print just finished. 1 second. Alright, here we go. Might be a little creepy, but this is a book holder. Let's get the supports off. Which they seem like they're pretty good to just pop off. Ooh, support ASMR. You love it. Alright. Solid, dude. This is great. What do you think? I got it from Thingiverse. Somebody was using it to hold their Necronomicon. And it's like a zombie hand. Came out pretty good. Yeah. Hey, and speaking of printing, I just took advantage of FL Sun's flash sale. And I got the S1 Pro for $700, which is fucking crazy. That's a $1,500 printer. So, yay. I'm excited for that. Because I have a T1 Pro, and it's pretty close, you know. But it's like $1,000 cheaper, the T1 Pro. So this S1 Pro better be fucking awesome. I mean, it does come, it says 95%, you know, assembled, which is awesome because I didn't like putting together the T1 Pro. And it's also supposed to be a little bit quieter, which is great because the T1 Pro is very loud. But we'll see, because the I have the T1 Pro dialed in. But this one's supposed to be able to handle like some really good, like all the types, ABS and carbon fiber and stuff like that as well, which is pretty cool. I'm coming for you. Yeah. The backhand detail's awesome too. Yeah. It's great. I think this is just Elegoo high-speed filament. Black. PLA plus or whatever. My wife got the Book of the Dead from the Mummy. She wanted a stand for it. She doesn't know it's a zombie hand. We'll see what she thinks. She told me to just design one. I was like, yeah, sure, I'll make one. I thought this was a better idea. Just burning off all the strings. Cleaning it up a little bit. Fantastic. Nice and clean. Yeah, it wasn't bad at all. That's a good print. I'll keep that in mind. In case I want a bunch of hands for Halloween or something. Alright. Well, now that we have that, let's get the logic going that I just talked about, where I want the drag destination photo to go away after it's done. So we'll need another meta box. And we'll put that in the Explore Items. Explore Point. And we'll put it near the drag dest right here. So we have the mission. Oh yeah, let's add it to the array. So this one will be remove after. Sure. And this will be a radio. Yep. And it'll be yes or no. Perfect. Okay. So in that case, we need remove after to decide. We'll add another data point to the drag dest shit right here. So we'll grab drag dest. We'll get remove equals drag dest remove after. I said remove after, right? Yeah. Otherwise, nope. This is by default. And wait. Hazard remove. Oh shit, it seems like I can just use hazard remove. Wait, what's the point of hazard remove? Removable. I know I have a drag destination. Oh, it gets rid of the hazard. No. Yeah. Because we have fire. To get rid of the fire, you need to... I don't remember. No, you have to like extinguish it. So what the fuck is hazard remove for? Let's check what this is for actually. Removable. God, I forget all the logic I came up with. Drag dest, removable. Okay, so should remove item on load. This is removing the drag dist. If it's removable. Okay. Well, that's what that's for. What else is it for, though? Map item. Should remove item. Removable, yes. Okay. I'm going to try just using it and see if it works. So let's, instead of adding that new thing, let's go to, where would that even be? Not remove after cutscene. Yeah, see, that's what I don't get. There isn't even an option for this. So, where's that coming from? Hazard remove is coming from the, not the item. The fuck is this coming from? False. Oh, this must have been something I was going to do, maybe? Because I'm just defaulting it to false. Alright, well, let's not... Let's make our own, I guess. I think the same thing can happen, though. We can just do remove. And data removal is true. Let's see if that works. Or yes. Yeah, let's see if that works. We made an option now. Boom, boom, boom. We can actually test it real quick in the local too. So now we have remove after. We'll put yes. We'll save. And now we can just check if the... Oh shit, but I have to... Hold on, I'm gonna have to move the fucking drag destination in the right place. Ah, I wasn't far off. Let's just move it to the right. Like, a couple hundred. There, it's gonna look exactly the same because I used the same image. It's okay. Dun, 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 dun. That's hard to do. Whatever. I know I wrote that and played it, but after I do it once, I never know how to do it again. Okay, so let's drag. Oh shit, I can't do it locally. Okay, fuck it. We're not doing it locally. Let's just see what it does in production. Hey, taste test. What up, bud? Welcome to the party. Hope you're having an amazing Friday and or Saturday, depending on what time it is for you. Or day or whatever. You get what I mean. Look, I just printed a hand. It's pretty good. Pretty good scale too. Pretty, I mean, I think it's a girl hand, maybe. Like, I've seen, you know, my wife has smaller hands. This would be pretty scaled. Let's go. All right, we're gonna push this up, and then we'll test. See if it goes away. Now, if it does go away, I'll have to restart this. Then I hope it persists too. Because it feels like I already have like removable logic in place, so it should technically persist, I guess. If not, I'm gonna have to do a whole bunch of stuff. But that's fine. Let's go ahead and jump into production anyways. I definitely have more items to add. You see it does stay in the right place, and it's no longer draggable. See, that's the one thing to keep in mind here. Once you finish the mission, you're no longer able to drag it. that's also something. I need to make this a background item. I wonder if I could do that, actually. Why'd you lock me out? Okay. Background. Passable. I wonder if I can make it passable. I think that's after you break it, though. I wonder if it'll let me walk by it. Let's see. No. I should probably let it do that. That's the explainer. Where's the, I really need to persist explainers too, by the way. I haven't done that yet. Okay, so this is passable. So I think what I should do, if it's no point and passable, then I need to make you able to walk in front of it. So let's do that. So, Miro explore. Okay, here we go. No, it's block movement. Yes. So, another thing we need to ignore. So drag this, yes, we can already go past them, but passable. No. Yes. Is there passable true though? Or only the class passable? I wonder if I should just make it add the passable class. Because it has the no points class on it though. Man, let's do the no points thing. Because I don't want it to be passable until I want it to be passable. So let's do not data passable true no point. There we go. So now after you drag it and it's marked as passable, then you can walk through it. I'm not going to do it with all of them, just the ones that I want to be able to walk up to, like this one. Perspective wise, it makes a lot more sense. Alright. We'll push that up. I'm going insane over here. Okay, let's push this up. I really hate that I have to do like a million code pushes just to get this damn feature working. It's because I'm never satisfied, guys. And I'm doing this for you. I mean, if you want to build a fucking dynamic RPG video game in WordPress, you're going to be able to build the most dynamic WordPress-based RPG ever. With this. No code solution, by the way. You don't have to know how to do shit. All you need to have to do is know how to use WordPress. Which you barely need to know how to do that either. You need to know how to click checkboxes, fill out text fields, you know, upload images. I mean, that one you can look up. Not that hard to do. And, you know, basic website management stuff. Yeah, you don't even have to be a website programmer like me. It doesn't matter. And you're gonna have all the options in the world. And I understand it's going to get very complex. But I will document this for you all. Don't worry. Don't you worry, none. Let's actually update the Twitch category. I forgot to do that. My bad. While we're waiting for that code to push.
You need more?
Anybody playing any good video games right now? Heard Battlefield 6 is pretty badass. I watched Moist Critical play it. Good old Charlie. Here we go. Game develop. Whamp. Whamp. Alright, perfect. So that's update. Let's also let everybody know in Discord. In fact, if you're not in the Discord, I highly suggest you join. Because it's a great community, first of all. And second of all, it's a lot of fun. A lot of great stuff in there. We got writing, game development, engineering, web development, art, memes. Great. Alright, let's see if it's passable now. No, removable. Both. I'm pushing it both. Oh, it worked! Unfortunately, the Z index is wrong. No. Let's see if I switch it to background. Maybe. There we go. Perfect. Now, I'm not 100%. I think that's good, though. I don't mind that it's on top, too, of the... I don't mind that the drag test is on top, either. Remove after, yes. Okay. Did that save? I thought I already did that. Yeah, okay, it's saved. No, it's still there. Does it have remove? Drag test. Draggable. Yeah, data removable true. So if it's data removable true, on load it should remove. But it's not part of like the no point list. I am adding no point to the item. So there has to be a way for me to add or remove the data removable drag dust too. So let's do that. Let's double check out that's happening. So drag, this would be on items. Yeah, no point. So I'm adding it here. Map item. And that's add no point. So is this part of the... I'm guessing it's part of the explore point. Shit. So we have point. And we have server. So server's on there. Cool. So what I'll do is if the item's on there, if it has a drag dust and the drag dust is removable, we'll remove it. Okay, that's what we'll do. How does that work? Drag dust. It's the name with drag dust in it. Okay. Oh, which I have that already. Value, drag dust, map item. Cool. So I have that already. What am I doing with it? Remove. Oh, I already have that logic. What the fuck? If collected already, don't show item. Okay. I think the problem is that this is part of removing the map item. This should be part of removing in general. If removable's on there. Which is something that I did not do properly, obviously. Okay. So let's just do this. We'll just add it here. Okay. Remove drag dest if removable. And map item has one. There we go. Kind of reminds me of that Stick song. You're fooling yourself, you don't believe it. You're killing yourself, you don't believe it. Why must you be such an angry young man when your future looks quite bright to me? What was that? Yeah, that's it. Fucking nasty. Why must you be such a sinister plan? I can't remember the words. And you're man, and you're fooling yourself. You don't believe it. Pop, 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 pop. Oh yeah, you need a different one for that one. Really want to test this hand out, see if it'll hold a book like it's supposed to. I don't even have my own books. Alright, go blop. Let's push. Let's go. There we go. Phantasmic. Okay, this should work now. So now technically when I refresh the page and the code's pushed, the drag destination glowy thing should go away. I wonder if this is stable enough to hold the book. Should be. It's a pretty wide base. Guess I could put some like tape on it. Alright, here we go. Is it gonna go away? Yay! It worked! Super swick. Alright, let's see it go away in person now. Live and in action. So I'll start a new game. escape to Orbem. Sorry. I didn't have to do that. Okay. Nope, I didn't have to start a new game either. Alright, whatever. Let's walk all the way to Thyrus the old-fashioned way. Doop, doop, doop. Wait, what? Why am I seeing 2 missions? Talk to Salverson should not be showing up right now. That is not good. What did I break? Yeah, because collect your effects. Next mission. Oh, I fucked up the, yeah, this shit. Okay, well, that's why. Okay, next mission. Restart. Not the whole game, just this spot. Okay, there you go. Collect your effects is alone now.
What was I doing again?
What was he doing again?
Oh, need to grab my stuff.
Yeah. Good idea, Green. Look at my empty ass office. Ugh, I got fired. What a dick. Let's go talk to the boss.
Guess I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
Yeah, probably. It's a good idea.
Hey, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig.
Such a dick.
Oh, hey, Grain.
Oh,
Sorry,
hey.
I didn't notice you were there.
Sorry, I didn't know you were there.
Look, so sorry about your project not working out. Don't worry, though. You're
Okay.
Sir, you know I was days away from
I've heard this a little bit
Grain.
too much.
Unfortunately, no one saw, and it is.
Cranston and Giles have been enough funding. You know they'd say anything, too.
Don't forget the watermelon incident. There's just no way they'll agree to let me keep. Meet me in my office.
Oh yeah. Let's go. That didn't give me any points. I don't know why. That's weird. What's weirder is I got points when I went in the office. That's kind of weird.
You know why I started Foresight, Grain?
Yeah, it's a little bit longer.
To take over the world?
No,
Oh,
no,
right.
none of this not the money.
So,
Magic.
magic, sir?
Did you know that No. Everyone, I called you here
No.
to tell you you were to
I'm sorry.
I.
Yeah, okay. We made the Thyrus. The old-fashioned way.
May I help you, sir?
Hello.
May I help you, sir?
Yes. Sorry, I'm.
Mr. Milford, I see here you are stationed. A permanent badge. Here are your keys. Here is your CN.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, alright. Made it. Oh, I got a call.
This is your CNC device.
Huh.
Refer to this while in the Tyrus Research Facility.
Sure. Alright.
Hello, Mer, Ahem.
Oh, I'm so.
Hello, Mer,
Oh, hello.
it's der ne.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for the points. Organize your office. Alright. Let's see if we can do that.
I can't help but notice how fast you.
Oh, sorry. It's part.
How do you?
You'll find that we can. As far as. Do you have any?
So, what's with the glass?
What about them?
Well,
He had not.
well, that's good. Sorry for my ignorance.
Oh, my apologies.
I missed lunch.
I missed lunch.
So, dinner, tonight. Wonderful day. By the way, great. Thanks for.
Alright. Run off.
This is gonna take forever to get in order.
Nice.
Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
Okay, so first off, I want to move this. Let's actually maybe do something more like that. Sure. And so now you can see the glowing thing, which I probably should move this. Like, uh-oh, I'm in the way, hold on. God mode, don't touch. Let's drag this down. So by default, we'll have it like blocking your path in the middle of the room. So you have to move it. I like that. Okay, so now that it's there. Oh no! See, that's the problem. I need this to be not passable unless it has no point. So that's kind of weird, actually. Hold on. It's probably because I have logic for pass or for background. No. See, if it's background, then I shouldn't be able to go through it. It's draggable. Why am I not hitting this? Why does it not let me... Why, I mean, why am I able to walk past it? It's acting as if it's a foreground. I know it's passable. Maybe I should turn passable off. Yeah, let me turn passable off. I feel like maybe I don't need that now that it's a background image. Or no, that's what I'm using, isn't it? As a collision thing. Hold up. See, but I have it for no point passable. And then there's only passable the class, which it doesn't have. So how am I walking through it right now? Maybe it's a background? Ah, okay. It's because background. That's the problem. Which I want to maintain. It is weird that I'm going under it though, because if it's a background item, it should have a lower z-index than me. But it seems like even though it's background, I mean z-index 0, I'm still passing behind it. That's weird. What? Oh, I'm dumb. I forgot when you go into dev mode. I'm so dumb. Hold on. Okay, I can still go through it because my z-index. But my z-index won't change back when I turn off God mode, but that's why it's doing that. Okay, so background is doing what it's supposed to. So I need a different way of defining it. I think I need to make passable items have a lower z-index. That's what I have to do. So let's go to the styling, passable. So passable true. Passable has z-index 0. Let's also make no point. There we go. This will do it. Okay. And then I can turn background off because we don't need background then. I was just using it to get in the lower z-index. All right, cool. Cool. So let's turn off that and let's see if we can drag this and make the drag destination go away. All right, let's push it up. Alright. So that's good to go. Okay, let's turn whatchamacallit off. Let's turn background off. No. Okay. So now I should be able to... There we go. That's a good boy. Okay, let's drag this now to its final destination. Final destination. Here we go. Oh, look at that. And now the thingy is behind it. So, when I let go, the glowing shit in the background should disappear. It didn't. But I bet it won't show up again when I refresh the page, which is, who the fuck cares? Okay, that should have gone away. But maybe I didn't add that logic. Hold on. Let's see if it goes away when I refresh. It does. Okay, so the add no point shit is working fine. I need to go one step further though. Drag dest, no. No point. God damn it. Add no point. So what we're doing here is we're removing it on load. Alright. Where'd I drag this at? Right here. So we're removing this on load. Perfect. We need to remove it too though when you finish the damn mission. So drag dest. Right. Here. Drag dest. No points for drag dests. So we got the drag dest for the map item. And once you do the thing, drag dest mission, add no point. Right here. So we also need to remove this if it's passable. So if drag dest true equals, I think it's true, right? Equals drag dest data set dot passable. No. Removable. Then drag dest dot remove. Alright, now this will make it remove when it's done. Fantastic. Did I do true? Is that what it says? Is it true? I think it's true. I already removed it though, so I can't check. Okay, cool. I think that's the last piece actually. So now we can build out the other ones. There's a handful, so no time like the present. Let's get to it. Next, let's add the other servers. More servers. That means we need another round of missions. We need another round of items and all that kind of stuff. So let's go to move your servers. So move your other servers. I don't know. That's the best mission name I can come up with. Okay, and this is gonna be What is this? I don't, Thyrus? I think that's it. Oh yeah, let's give it some points. So this will give you some points. So give you another 50 points. Cool, cool, cool. Making your money. And that's it. Cool. Published. So now we need to go to missions. Go to organize your office. And this is where the multi-select is going to come in handy, and my first time trying it. So we have move your servers, move your other servers. So now when you when you finish organize your office, both missions should show up, which is a great option to have for people. Okay. So we have that, and now we need to add the item with the drag destination. It's gonna get a little bit tricky though. Yeah. So we have that, we have that. Yeah, let's give it a shot. Hey, did you guys come to just watch me yawn? Because you're in luck. I forgot that song. Alright, let's go here. Let's go to item. We're going to add a brand new spanking item. It's going to be servers. More servers. How about that? Cool. Feature image is going to be a new set of servers. Left servers. There we go. Cool. And then I think for this one we can just add the position, which is going to be right. Whatever, we'll just add it on the map for now. I can move it later. 2031 672. And then size wise, I have no idea. I grabbed it before like this, but it ended up being wrong. Too big actually, so I'm gonna have to scale it down. But 119 369 369 119. Fantastic. Okay, and then this is going to be in Thyrus and passable. No, these aren't going to be passable. But it will have a drag destination. I just do not have the image for that yet, so we'll wait. I think that's it. Mission? Oh yeah, move your other servers. There we go. We do have that. I mean, I guess I should add the same shit. Drag desk 2031. It's probably gonna like finish the mission though as soon as no, I think I have to pick it up actually, so that's fine. What was it? 369 by 113. It's a pretty good guess. Go! Now it should just show up. There we go. Yeah, see, it's too big. Let's scale you down, buddy. Where's the... Oh, size. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Maybe something like that. Yeah, maybe something like that. These are kind of small now. These are too wimpy. So it's actually got to be a little bigger. What the fuck? Sorry, I'm hypnotized by this. That should be fine. So what do we got? 253.79? Probably good enough. 253.79. Alright. What? Fantastic. So that should be the right size. Let's move this position. So the starting position will definitely have to be somewhere else. I'm thinking like, yeah, like down here. That'll be cool. Because then I could still, yeah, get in here. Yeah, that's perfect.
This is gonna take forever to get in order. Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
Cool, cool, cool. So we'll leave it there, and then the drag desk should be there. We just need to make another drag desk like we did this. Sure. Yeah, we did that. So we can get rid of that. Let's do the left servers. We'll do the same thing. I basically just took an outline. I added a stroke. I had a stroke. I added a stroke. Sure. And then I blurred it. Made it bright. I guess I could just copy what I did, right? I guess I don't have any. I didn't keep it usable. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we have this. And then we'll take the blurring tool and we'll blur it. This time I'm just going to go ham on it. Because I couldn't get it feathering properly. So it was just easier to just blur it. TBH. Let's try to match the same blue though, this one. And then we'll colorize it. And we'll make it light. And we'll make it blue. And I think it's pretty damn close. Oh, I think I put 100%. Right, something like that. And then I 54 on the opacity. All right, it's too saturated. It's also too green. Too red. Too desaturated. This is fun. Let's make it a little brighter too. Definitely. Oh shit. What's happening? Too red. I think that's pretty good. And in fact, I think saturation's fine. Might need to be a little bit lighter. Cool. Okay, so now we have an outline to use. And we'll export that. More servers, outline. And then we'll open it up and we'll animate it just like the other one. So here, let's create a timeline. Let's make it the shitty old style timeline. Let's duplicate. Let's change the opacity on the second one. And then we'll add 5. And then we'll add 5 here. And then, oh shit. And then we'll add We'll change the timing, and that should be it. Fantastic. Let's export this as a GIF. And we should... Yeah, we already have the diffusion on. Should be good to go. And now we have the drag destination image for more servers. See if it works. Alright. Go! Grand. Okay, so now it should show up in that spot. No. It refuses. It says, fuck you. Drag dest. What did I miss? I missed something. What? Have you been sitting around waiting for that moment, Sama? Well, I have a little bit left, but I'll never say no. Let's go. Everybody, everybody. Hear you. Gather around. Let me tell you a story. A story about Scotch time. Let's go. Ow. Yeah. Proud of you. Patience gave up, paid off. Ooh. Friday. Tastes good. Yeah, we don't have a drag destination for this. What am I missing? Hold on. We have the top, left, height and width, which are wrong, whatever. We have the image, we have the mission, remove after, no. Yes, actually, yes, remove after. And that's it. It should work. What am I missing? What am I missing? I don't know. Is it something to do with... Because move your other servers are here now. I don't know. Let's restart and see if it shows up. This time we'll just go straight for the level selector. Wait, what just happened? Am I missing assets? What the hell's going on? There we go. It's like, what the fuck?
May I help you?
Hello. Yes,
Sir,
I'm
sorry,
Dr.
I'm
Graham
pretty
Milford.
sure
I'm in the right place.
Thank you.
Mr. Salverson sent me here to continue some research.
Hello, Mr. Milford. It's Der Negrescu. I'll be showing you to your station and getting you onboarded. Follow me, please.
I don't want to talk to you.
This is gonna take forever to get in order. Well, never a better time than now, I
All right.
suppose.
Is the other one showing up? No, it's not. What the fuck? I have one. No, I only have one. Okay, let's take a look at the other one and see what I'm missing. I'm obviously missing something. Drag destination. Asset missing, I wonder? You took all my assets. How dare you? Okay, so we have this. And we have this. Wait, what? Let's go to regular servers, apparently. Server. Okay. So we have this and this. Stop. Okay. 1-to-1. Different positions. That's fine. And then we have this. And this. Completely the same. That's fine. Then we have this. Timer. This. Oh, I'm stupid. I never made it draggable. I thought I did. No, maybe I forgot. That's my bad. Draggable. See, I knew I missed something. Update. Now it should be draggable. Drag-able. Fantastic. We got this. Oh yeah, look at that. I got the height and width backwards.
This is gonna take forever to
That's
get
pretty
in order.
good.
Well, never a better time than now, I
I'm so
suppose.
dumb. I'm smart. I'm very smart. Alright, other servers. Wait, what? That is correct. Oh. That's not the drag destination. My bad. I forgot. That's not how it works. Let's go to more servers. Yep, I did it backwards. Alright. Try again. Oh yeah, much better. Okay, but I have to change the size again. What did I change this one to? I changed it to 253 by 79. 253 by 79. I guess I gotta just check that. 79. 253. And then let's update the position with a good old drag. And we want this one to go right here. I guess like right here. It's fine. The keys. Yeah, no one's really been on today. But do you have issues with dexterity in your fingers? What about agility? Would you like to build those? Right here. Fingers. Well, I have the product for you. Flex keys. Purchase flex keys today at flexkeys.shop. Do you need to build finger muscle? I mean, this guy does. Flex keys. Best thing you can do for your hands. The ghost will buy them. Yeah. We ship anywhere in the US. Multicolors. $4.99. Get them now. Alright, let's try out both drag destinations now and see if they work. Alright, here we go.
This is gonna take forever
Wait, what?
to get in order. Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
I guess the click and drag aren't working on the drag destinations. I don't think I set those up properly yet. I should probably do that. But for now, let's just see where this takes us. So it goes here, and the position is 1957. 1957 by 664. Cool. Perfectos. Alright, so now that's the right drag destination. Wait, what? We ship 3 packets of normal sea salt, 100% green tea. Confusing. Alright, so now let's drag these items.
Forever to get in order. Well, never a better time than now.
Let's
I
organize
suppose.
our office a little bit. Alright, here's item number 1. Oh shit, hold on. We gotta get it in a better order. Alright. And let's get you there. Alright, let's move the other server now. Probably something like that. Oh shit, how come the drag dust didn't go away? I thought I pushed that logic up. Maybe I didn't push it up. Yay! They both worked. Why didn't that go away? Did I not push up that logic? I thought I did. Remove. If drag dest false removable equals true. Let me see what it said. Maybe I got the value wrong. Removable. No, true. Yeah, I got that right. Did I spell removable wrong? Removable. No, I didn't. Then remove. Why? Maybe I didn't push it. Let's see. An acre automated switch? I don't know. Oh yeah, look, we have something to push. I never pushed the logic. Good for me. I'm dumb. Did I push it? I wasn't paying attention. I think I did. Cool. Well, either way, when I refresh, they should be gone. Not that you would refresh the game, but cool. So I can walk in front of this one. This one I can't because it's not passable. And yeah, replacing the windows. Who knew dishes could sing at squeaky frequency? Sama, you crazy.
This is gonna take forever to get in order.
Correct.
Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
This is gonna take forever to create. So I need to create little glowing outlines for all of the items. So the desks will have little glowing items on them. We have the little chair symbol. We have the little computer symbol. We have the toolbox and tools, and we have the blade device. So we still have a bunch of items to create. And I want to organize them almost like one of those slider puzzles, you know what I mean? Where you have to like move this out of the way to get this in the right position. So I want to make it a little bit difficult to get them around. Once you can get to them, it'll, you know, they don't collide with anything, so it should be okay. And after they're done, you can't pick them up either. But, yeah, guys. I think that's about all I could do today. We did finish the logic for getting Draggable working, which is really cool. And I love seeing it with the final assets. It makes it a lot better than how I had it in the demo. With those shitty little graphics that were little outlines and... Man, if you could look back at some old streams and see how I finished Thyrus originally, I mean, it was intricate. I mean, there was a lot of shit, but they were very rough assets. rockets and fire, and I think I'm gonna use actual MP4s for the fire animation to make it nice and smooth. I might do that, or I might do it in GIF style still. We'll see. I might convert it to GIF. Get a real fire animation and convert it to GIF. But yeah, man, I'm gonna start my weekend now. Happy Friday, everybody. Glee about advertising marketing at Mechanical Mall. Go to sleep. Yeah, everybody go to sleep. Hey, appreciate everybody's jumped on today. Liam, hey, thanks for jumping on. I appreciate you talking about how gay you are. And Groovy Penguin, love your little trick to get me to say something weird. That was awesome. Sama, you're a real one. Thanks for jumping on. Don't worry about it. And I will catch you all in the next one. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll be back probably. We'll see how next week goes, but more than likely I will. So, see you in the next one. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.